Hello everyone and welcome to Margi RP video, in which today we will get to know how you can feed stock opening in Margi RP. Basically, use of stock openings are done to maintain opening balances of the items. With the help of this option, you can enter the opening balances of the items like rate, quantity, etc. Now let us see the process of how to feed stock openings in the software. For which you will go to the Masters menu, then opening balances, then enter on stock openings option. Then this window of stock opening will open with few fields, in which you will mention that date in stock as on till which date you want to feed stock opening. Then is selected company. You can select a single or multiple companies according to your requirements. Like if you need to feed stock openings in stocks or items coming under a particular company, then you will select that particular company from the spacebar key. And if you want to feed stock openings in items coming in more than one company, then by pressing the space bar key, select the companies whose stock you want to feed in the opening. And if you want to select all companies, then press Shift plus star key and select all companies. Suppose we select few companies from spacebar key, and by entering, let's come back to the stock openings window. Then it is report batch wise. So if you want to see a batch wise report on stock openings window, then do yes to this field, otherwise keep it no. Then is stock status. From here, you can select only those items whose stock is available. If that item is shown to you in the stock openings window, then set this field on available. Or if you want to see all items, then for that select here whole stock. Then is salt. You can select salt from here, means if you want to feed stock openings coming under selected salt only, then you will do yes to salt field. And then from salt window, select the salt as per the requirement by pressing spacebar key, in which items you want to feed stock openings, otherwise keep this field on no. Then there are more options. From this, more options will also open, or stock openings, as you can see on screen. You can view the report along with more filters also. If you want, then you can use the given options as per the requirement, means you can enable and disable. Otherwise, you can keep the more options field at no. So after setting the given fields on this window according to you, click here in the given accept button. Then this window of opening stock will open, in which items and their opening balance will be shown according to the date set by you in stock as on field. So all batches of the selected item will be shown to you like this in the next window. Now you will press enter, again enter, and go to the opening column of the first batch and mention stock opening here. And by pressing enter, go to the next batch. In this way, you will keep feeding stock opening one by one in the opening column according to your requirement. And keep pressing enter, then press tab key to save the changes. Then this window of save changes will open. Click on yes and save the changes. Now one of the trading windows will be displayed to you, in which you can enter the opening and closing value of the items according to your requirement. Or you can exit from this trading window by pressing the escape key. In this way, you will keep selecting the given items here one by one, and by following the same process, feed the stock openings in the item. So friends, by following the same process shown in this video, you can feed the stock opening easily in Margi RP. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.